had to be our cameraman. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to just find a sock, if you want to do it with me, find a bunch of other old socks that don't have matches, and then you get some thread and a needle and a tomato for your needles. So we're going to make a squishy of the sock. So what you do is you take your sock, you put it out right side out so people can read it when they come when you show it to them.
For instance, Maddie says Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. You can pick any sock. It doesn't have to be a Harry Potter sock. You just take your socks, stuff them in there. It doesn't matter if they're at the bottom or not. It shouldn't fill up the entire sock. And if it does, that's fine. And if you do have matches and still want to do it and just don't like that pair, then do it. It doesn't have to be no matches. Now, while we're stuffing it, make sure that you push it down so you have room for the rest of them. Hey, Gagey.
Hey, Maddie. I was just thinking that it would be a good way to stuff it down if you just took it from the top and shook it.
It is. It's also fun to do this, but it's best efficient when you take it and you stuff it down like this with your arm. Keep going until you run out of socks. And while we're doing this, you can
Pause the video.
Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, once you're finished with that, you take your needle and thread, you put the thread on the needle and tie a knot in the back so it doesn't come out.
P.S. Don't do this if you don't know how to sew.
Yes,
Get some sewing lessons from your grandma.
Get some people to either do this for you
or teach you how to
sew. Now, you take the needle with the thread and the knot and put it through. You pull, and then you go to the other side. What? Hi, Katie. This is my doggy. And pull, and then you go through the hoop that you just made. Pull it tight. You just made a knot so that front part won't come off. Then you just keep going back and forth, no more knots.
Maddie, what about that loop on the side of the sock?
Oh, that's where the knot is. If you want to, you can keep it. Well, I just cut it off. After I'm done, behind the knot, just cut it off.
Gigi.
While you're doing this, if you need more time, pause the video. And we are going to be done in 3, 2, 1. Now, you take it on your last stitch when you get to the end of your sock, you take it like we did the first one.
Pull it under the first brown one?
You just pull it, and then you do the knot. And if you want to scrunch it up, then scrunch it up, put your needle through it. If the needle doesn't go through, then take your needle out. But if it does go through, push it through, and then do one more knot. And then after that, do one more knot on the edge. Oh, my needle got stuck. Okay, there we go. And then put it through, do a knot. Then you can grab your scissors, cut it off, and you have a squishy. And if you have any siblings that get on your last nerve, grab
Like
it,
me.
whack them with it. It could be a dog play toy, or you could just use it to squish, snuggle with at night.
Or slap your brothers.
I just said that.
Exactly.
And it's just a little fun squishy that you can make at home. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.